The third wave is the endless pursuit of delivering incredible tasting coffee, perfecting every part of the process from seed to cup. And it can't truly be experienced without the right machine. When these two elements meet, you get the ultimate taste experience. Now you too can experience third wave specialty coffee at home with Breville's 4 keys formula that replicates commercial machine performance. Taste the Breville difference today.
The K Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go, simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew